everyone, here we are going to make this colorful flower. So cut these colorful 8 circles and paste all of them one after another using double-sided tape and paste it on the top of this yellow circle. Put a stick and leaf as well, and look, your flower is ready. Make smiley face on the top of it. Cut a red circle, make multiple fold, make a triangular shape, make multiple cuts, open it and fold the petals. After this, we're going to make 6 such petals and put all of them inside this green leaf. Now we are going to paste the leaf as well on the green stick, and your red flower is ready. Take a purple strip of paper, paste double-sided tape and make multiple cut on it. Now take a green paper, roll it, make a stick. Now we are going to roll the purple paper on the top of it, and your lavender flower is ready. Add more details like these leaves and it's done. We're going to make these beautiful flowers. First, make the petals. So fold this red craft paper, cut it from its sides, open it and make 4 such flowers. Now cut all of them in this way and fold and curve the petals like this. You can use a pencil. Now put all of them and roll it around this green stick, and look, your flower is ready. Let's make a beautiful flower using this very easy method. So cut the base of the paper cup and cut small pieces of the craft paper and put all of them one after another on the base, and paste double-sided tape on the top of it and repeat the same process. Here we are going to make a yellow flower. You can take whatever color you like, and look, it is full. After this, gently remove the paper cup like this, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers. Let's make these bunch of flowers. We're going to cut this green craft paper and paste it using double-sided tape and start rolling it, and look, it's done. Keep it aside. Now we're going to make flowers. So fold this red craft paper, cut it, open it and paste it on the top of it, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this colorful flower. So cut a circle, make multiple folds. Now we are going to fold it and cut it into 2 pieces using a scissor. After this, we are going to paste it using double-sided tape. Make 6 such colorful petals and paste all of them and make a circle. Make a smiley face, paste it in the center, paste leaves, and look, your flower is ready. Cut a square paper, make multiple folds like we're doing here, and tuck the paper inside. Now we are going to make 8 such colorful pieces. After this, paste all of them one after another. Make sure to tuck the paper inside and paste glue, and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to paste a stick. So roll this yellow craft paper, paste all of them, and look, it's ready. We are going to make these colorful tulip flowers. Here we are going to use orange craft paper, make multiple folds, flip it and again fold it from its side. Now keep it aside. Now we are going to make the leaves. So take this green craft paper and fold it, make 2 leaves, paste all of them on this stick, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this colorful paper fan. So let's get started. First, take this red craft paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Fold it from its sides, open it. Here we are going to make crease. So start folding it again from its side. Now we are going to paste it like this. Now make 6 colorful such shapes and paste all of them one after another like this. Now roll this yellow craft paper. Here we are going to make a stick. Paste it like we are doing here from both sides. Open it and look, your fan is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.